Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharp's new P-Series 4K UHD projectors. So friends, the new Sharp P-Series projector, the XP-P601Q and XP-P721Q. The new P-Series projectors are the first Sharp projector developed leveraging more than 35 years of project experience from NEC and friend. The Sharp Pre-Series projector provides viewers with a stunning 4K ultra high definition image that is bring enough for commercial use across a number of industries and signage application. So friend, it creates a picture that will leave a lasting impression with a 6000 lumens P601Q model and the 7100 lumens P721Q model, delivering incredibly sharp and crisp quality even while its settings. And friend, this makes the Sharp P-Series projector ideal for corporate settings and higher education classrooms, as well as fast-growing emerging markets such as museums and gold simulators. And friend, these projectors utilize DLP imaging technology that is designed to be filter-free, resulting in no maintenance projector with a low total cost of ownership for at least 20,000 hours. And with no lamp and no filter, the Sharp P-Series projector are designed to provide years of worry-free operation. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.